Kasama lagi ang takot. Ganyan ako noon anak, sobrang takot ako sa mga bagong bagay. Comfortable ako sa dating systems ko. Same supplier, same product, same marketing strategy year after year. But then one day, may supplier na nag-approach sa akin about a completely new product line. Napaka-risky nito. Mas malaki ang investment at totally different sa usual items namin. And my mind was so full of what if, at mga scenarios ng failure. Alam mo kung anong ginawa ko anak? I decided na i-embrace ang opportunity na to. I did my research, consulted my team at nag-create kami ng solid game plan. Yung isang decision na yon, it opened so many doors. Na-double ang sales namin at na-realize ko na ang growth ay nasa labas ng comfort zone natin. Kaya, simple lang ang lesson anak. Para sa akin, every new experience is like planting a seed. Hindi natin alam exactly kung gaano kalaki ang magiging bunga. Pero kung hindi tayo magtatanim dahil sa takot, siguradong wala tayong aanihin. Takot pa din ba ako? Oo naman. Nandyan lagi ang takot parati. Kaya remember anak, fear is normal but don't let it control your decisions ha. Take that first brave step. And let's be business-minded Pinoy. And if you're ready to do better in your business, get your free starter kit. The link is in the comment section.